Hi friends, we will have today a review on the Victorinox Rucksack. It's a very excellent knife for outdoor purposes. It has a main blade which locks, and it's really strong. I must say that here is a movement very slightly, but it doesn't hinder me to love this knife. I had no problems with this. It has a very good functioning and an awful saw. Really, it cuts like butter through wood. Then it has the corkscrew. It has the reamer or punch, and it has the tin opener with screwdriver, and the screwdriver, flat screwdriver with bottle opener, and reamer, that's the can opener, and like classic, the tweezers, very effective, and the toothpick. So why I preferred this, there are a couple of other versions like the tracker, or which one, here the Nomad. The Nomad is a Forester one hand, and here's the soldier knife. So why I preferred the rucksack, because here are no toothpicks and no tweezers. They are really useful, and the lock system here I like more. The lock system and the red color, the typical Swiss Army color red. I love this. But these are equivalent knives here. You can choose it. So if I am outdoors, that is my knife for food preparing and backup survival knife or bushcraft knife, or an excellent knife. I don't want to miss it, and it's very strong and solid. You can trust on this, really. So that are my other knives. That is Rotkäppchen, the rally for me. That's my Barbaros of my son. That's my Barbaros. That's the Waiter. That's the Spartan, my Barbaros. That's the Red Hawk I introduced now, and that's the Swiss Champ. That's the Titanic. Thank you very much.